Hey friends, if you have a habit of making to-do lists, then congratulations, you are already amongst the top 10%. In this video, I will be sharing with you 8 tips you might be missing while making your to-do list. So tip number 1. Put tasks on your to-do list and not goals. Then relax man, what about our goals? For that, tip number 2 is, write the task which will help you achieve your goals. This is simple. I want to learn Hindi. This is my goal and I cannot quantify it, and it will remain on my to-do list for a longer time. Learn 3 Hindi verbs. This is easy to quantify and will help me achieving my goals easily. Make your to-do list scannable. Use shorthand language and keep the list neat and tidy. Make a separate list for your personal, professional and household work. It will keep you focused in one direction and help you executing your task easily. Fifth, write down your tasks as soon as you think of them. I am sure you also always forget small things. You can create a shortcut for your to-do app in your phones or keep a small diary in your pocket. Tip number 6. Listen to this carefully. This is the most important tip. Keep your emotions aside. Don't prioritize your task while being impatient, angry or demotivated. I have a detailed video on decision making, so check out after this and don't miss to subscribe. So tip number 7, consider adding a sentence to every task on your to-do list that explains the value of completing that task. For many of us, to-do list feels like shackles. They make us miserable and sucks our energy rather than motivating us to get more things done. The final tip is, analyze and sort down the tasks through which you can complete them in the shortest possible time. Check out the video on the left and learn the most trending time management technique. Thank you and don't miss out to subscribe.